AAA+ലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the Enclaps channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Welcome to the wonders of living world. Emergency response is the essential for survival. It is the hormones produced in our body that help us to respond in an emergency. However, once the response is produced, it takes relatively long time to start functioning. Therefore, the first is to wake up the sympathetic system, which is a part of the nervous system. It is the action of the hormones epinephrine and norepinephrine that maintains the stimulated physical activity of the sympathetic system. This unity of emergency is an example of how nervous system and endocrine system works together in our body. Like hormones that enable the body to respond quickly to dangerous emergencies, the body also has a hormone that acts as a biological clock. Now, what is a biological clock? Let's see. Sleep and wakefulness are examples of rhythmic physical activity. These functions are regulated by the pineal gland, which is located at the center of the brain. The pineal gland produces a hormone called melatonin, which produces and helps in maintaining the rhythm of our daily activities, or say the 24 hours rhythm. Hence, it is called the sleep-wake cycle or the biological cycle. Melatonin production is higher at night and lower during the day. The presence of melatonin not only affects sleep and wakefulness, but also helps in defense metabolism, pigmentation, and regulates sexual activity in organisms that have a definite reproductive age. Body growth is also a function of the hormone regulation. Growth is regulated by pituitary glands. Let us get acquainted with the position and the function of the pituitary gland. These are the glands situated just below the hypothalamus and is a P-shaped structure with two lobes, the anterior lobe and the posterior lobe. The anterior lobe of the pituitary gland produces hormone that stimulates the activity of other endocrine glands. These hormones are called tropic hormones. Therefore, the pituitary hormone is of great importance in endocrine gland. Now, let's learn about the hormones secreted by the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland and their functions. Hormones produced by the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland includes TSH or the thyroid stimulating hormone, which stimulates and functions the thyroid gland and secretes hormones such as thyroxine, triiodothyronine, and calcitonin. Adrenocorticotropic hormone or ACTH. It stimulates the function of the adrenal cortex and secretes hormones such as glucocorticoids and sex corticoids. Gonadotropic hormone or GTH. It stimulates the activity of the testes in male and female's ovaries and secretes hormones such as FSH or follicle stimulating hormone, LH, luteinizing hormone. Prolactin regulates breast milk production and growth hormone, accelerates body growth and secretes hormone called somatotropin. Don't you remember the Guinness World Record holders of 2014 about whom we have seen a video earlier? Who are they? The world's tallest man and the shortest man in the world. Do you understand the hormone behind this height difference? Yes, somatotropin or growth hormone. Excessive body growth occurs when the production of somatotropin increases during the growth phase, and this condition is called gigantism. But when the production is reduced during the growth phase, the growth stagnates, leading to dwarfism. Excessive production of somatotropin after the growth phase can lead to the growth of bones in the bone, face, and fingers, and this condition is called acromegaly. Now here comes the question of the day. Find the odd one out and write a justification. Estrogen, melatonin, somatotropin, prolactin. Any guess? Melatonin. Yes, it is secreted by the pineal gland, whereas others are secreted by the pituitary gland. We have still more to learn, but see you again with such interesting knowledge. Till then, bye.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ Enclaps, the learning app.